This one's easy. We're going to be doing a lovely drawing of Medicham, who is a wonderful Pokemon that everyone loves because it has kissy lips, or it has pants. I mean, it has a bunch of cool stuff, right? So, I mean, yeah, let's draw it. Let's do this. So, to start off, what you're going to want to do is a plain and simple curvy thing, and yeah, then you're going to draw more curves because we're drawing the eyes. So we're drawing the curve and we're drawing the eyes, and kind of looks like that. Does that make sense? Yeah. That's pretty much my description whenever something doesn't really have too much of a shape. But, I mean, yeah, that's why we're drawing it, right? So, good. Next, the head. You're going to draw the head and the 3 ears that it apparently has. It has 1 ear on the left. It has 1 ear on the right, and I don't really know what that thing on top is. I mean, they kind of look the same, so I figured, is that 3 ears? Maybe. Then you're going to want to draw the rest of the face. The face is, like, it stops there. Then you kind of have you have a mouth, right? Okay, so draw the mouth. Make it look like a donut that's, like, squeezed. Because a squeezed donut, or like a Cheerio, right? It's got, like, a hole in it. And then draw the rest of the face, which is another curve. And then draw the back of the head. Make sure you draw that part, because then the face isn't complete, and then you kind of just have an open face. You don't want an open face. Okay, hardest part ever, guys. The neck. I do not have any. Like, I hope that you can draw this, and I'm sorry if you can't. There's better luck next time, if you can't. Thank you for trying, at the very least. Next, the arms. Guys, the arms are a fun time. It's just like 2 lines, right? And you kind of like make sure that the ends of them are a little bit like going outwards, because that's where the hands are going to be, and it's going to be a good thing. The other one's a little bit bent, so that's cool. I don't know what this shape is at all. I'm just going to tell you that right now. So I hope that you guys can copy it, or just look at it and be like, yeah, I know what to do. I know what that shape is. I mean, is it a duck? Is it a bat? It's a bat wing, right? It's like something like that. Yeah, you know what? It's like a bat wing. That's cool. Just figured it out. That's good. Okay, so now after you draw your bat wing, you're gonna want to draw the beginning part of the pants. So this is the part where, like, I guess it like tightens around the waist, and it allows Medicham to wear its pants in all its glory, so it can kick things. Yeah. So there's no really like particular shape to it. It's just like kind of just make it look like that. Then you're going to want to draw the circle part, or like the leg, right? The more pants, like the actual pants. This part, like, so if you draw the circle the way I did, it makes the thing look like a berry, kind of like an orange berry. And then you're going to want to draw the other leg, which is like a longer oval circle thing. Like, it's really not like, there's no specific shape to this, and I'm sorry. Like, I'll call things out when it's like a good shape, that like, and sometimes when it's not a shape, it's like, oh man, what do I call this thing? And then I just hope that you guys can at least look at it and be like, yeah, I can do that. But that's pretty much what that is. And then you want to draw the circles inside the circles, or inside the circle/oval, because those, right, is the design of the pants, and Medicham is stylish. It doesn't just wear any pants. The circles are different because different positions for the legs. Easy. Then you're going to want to draw the rest of the hands. I mean, we didn't really draw hands, so now we're going to draw the hands. And the easiest way to think about this one is it's just 3 fingers. Medicham does not have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers. It's just, or even 11. It just has fingers. It has 3 fingers. And that's pretty much what you want to do. That's good. And then, best of all, give it some shoes. Because shoes are kind of what helps it dance and kick things. I mean, it'd be hard to dance without shoes, but it's always better to dance with shoes? Maybe? I'm not sure. That's pretty subjective. But other than that, that is pretty much what we're going with, guys. I hope that you guys had a wonderful time, or at least were able to do something like this. And if this is your favorite Pokemon, give it a hug, give it some smiles, and hope that, and take care of it. Make sure you take care of it, because Medicham is a good thing. Or not. if it's not your favorite. I don't know. I'm just okay. So yeah, just take care of it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope that this helped, and yeah, we'll see each other on the next one. Take care, guys. See ya.